I don't go advise on something I sell on a business. They come this side. Quite and I'll come do visit.
Okay.
Then I'll come do this because nowhere there is.
Changing the narratives with Mr. B.
How your side now? You look great.
Thank you, Ross.
Nice to meet you. Well, I mean, again, one or two things I want to quickly ask you, and I believe through this interview, a lot of people will learn, okay? And we're going to do this just to also educate people, to share from our own life experience, you understand me now? So that then, when we say they see they outside this place, they still understand what they go on here, and whoever that wants to come here, they will still know, say, okay, maybe one or two things when we say they need to put in place to get life easy, you understand me? Okay, before I come back to give you one or two, just seconds for you to introduce yourself to them. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all my great viewers, depending on the place you are watching us from. We are back again with another episode of this program, Changing the Narratives, saying it the way it is in the city of Rome. We are here with one of our big brother, yes, the tallest of the tallest. I mean, you not going to intimidate me here. Now we begin the show, because your height now they intimidate me, Waka. Well done, sir. So, before I turn back to him for him to introduce himself and for you to know where he come from, whether it's from Somalia, whether it's from Afghanistan, I believe say you want to know. I just want to urge you, please stay tight to the end of this broadcast, and we urge you, honestly, you are not going to be disappointed. You can only get the benefits, the totality of this program if you can stay tight to the end. Please, let us talk to him and as he introduces himself. Can you introduce yourself to them?
My name is Destiny from Nigeria.
I mean, Chief, come back. You know, say you two of me, not gonna come up for camera. Okay.
My name is Destiny from Nigeria. And I live for it since 2016 and everything is good.
You before Nigeria?
Yeah.
Now you talk like this. Where I mean, you know, for you know, do farm.
No. I do farm when I did in Nigeria. I don't know, man. You know, so you need to help your family.
You not carry head load for head.
Why not?
What you gonna make it talk like this?
I'll go for our family with all now. My father and my mother shot, so it is part of the plan.
Wow, it did very great anyway. All right, sir. Okay, now, sir, you say you've been here now for about up to 9 years now, right?
Yeah, 2016.
Okay.
June, July 6 or July 9, if I'm not making a mistake.
Okay, so I believe as you talk like this now, so you all find like this now, not be the miss will be say with the here say they follow.
No.
So.
No.
Okay, you follow up.
Yeah, follow up.
Okay, now fresh man you be.
Because they say when you come to another country, you should not be there, you join them.
That's so. Okay, so
they use for this side.
that's so. Sir, what will be your experiences so far? I believe say when you did Nigeria, you get this kind of perception concerning Europe. Get this kind of vision. I don't know your expectation.
When I did Nigeria, I'll be every country I did say. You know, so when I did Europe, that's when I come out. I don't lie you.
Okay.
I did 70 years when I come out. I don't know how to say Nigeria and the rest country. Then at the same thing, all those kind of stuff. And the same language they speak.
Okay.
When you come up for that, when you come up for your comfort zone, and they even know say yes, something say something is up for another country.
Different day.
Differences there, you understand? I'm really cool. Because I know your plans are come up for Nigeria because Nigeria for me, I like Nigeria music, but I don't plan about as we call and say move. You know really play.
Yeah. Okay, so as you don't day here now, as you don't come here now, you get anything will be say you don't observe, you will be say you not really day, not what you be expect apart from the language or different culture.
Most of because when I reach here, I did young as I tell you. When I reach here that time, I follow the process, the camp, the shoe, all those kind of stuff.
Okay.
So they really help me because when you're young that time, you know, say your brain go, your head go, all those kind. You are ready to learn many things.
Yeah.
So my educatory where they help me for camp forward. So now they will put me through and say they did like this. So when you see I see they like this.
Oh wow.
So, because not be help, not be everybody doing it for not be all of them, not be all of them be evil because 50-50 now be this life. So
not so.
If you feel put your head for granted, they say yes, this boy you're ready to learn or you're ready to do things or they say you they are ready to they feel their life down for you because they don't say yes.
That is the Italians now.
Yeah, the Italians. For the blacks, and I only want few people now because yes, say yes, they're everywhere. For years, mostly Nigerians, mostly Benin people. I don't like they don't like to help. They don't like to help. Mostly for me, I don't fear to go.
No, fact. You must state and the way you be say be.
Because for me, I be Benin boy, not because I be Benin boy, they neglect my Benin people. Mostly Benin people, they don't like to help. Instead of they do help, they don't help outside. I don't know why these things.
Be like that.
I don't know why be like that. I still dey ask myself this question, why the blacks may do those kinds of stuff. At all, people see they go from you to survive.
Now so, now so.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Apart from that, now, since we be say okay, you say you don't mingle with mix of Italians now. When
Yes,
they say
now.
they still show you the
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Okay, like waiting for all these years now. Waiting be this opportunity when they say you don't see for years so far. When they say yes, just as you talked before, say if truly say we blacks or Africans, we put our head down, say one lane, say opportunities there.
Opportunity.
Like what and what if you tell us?
You know something about this will be here. They like, as I talked before, say they like person be like say you dey agile. Because if you dey form say we know say we Nigerians we get our head no off there as at all. We all know that.
We don't agree for anybody.
No agree for anybody, but for another country you agree for people.
Okay.
So if you not agree for anybody, nobody will agree for you. Nobody will want help you.
Na fact, na fact.
Because you know say when you come out for your own country, you come out for your comfort zone, bro. Nothing like you use your sense, they find what you want because they say me we come Europe, come find mental. I don't say we come Europe, come they misbehave ourselves because you know that many of us when they tell me all those kind of stuff. Let me say I don't dey look down on anybody, give everybody a maximum respect, but that situation make them sit there.
Yeah, na fact.
So that situation, I don't know what to make them do them. Because for me, now the bad decision when they make when they come. I mean, because they say you know if you plant yam, they expect cocoa yam.
No, not
Okay,
possible.
not possible. So that make them. For me, the opportunities we dey. If you need come this Europe, I know they tell you when they're not come, and if you come anytime now. But once you come this Europe, make sure say you put your head. You know, you say your head for the hot. Me, I prefer work for Nigeria.
Okay.
When I reach here, Gragra not dey help anybody. Gragra not go wrong. They know you help as in if you do Gragra for you now, yeah, you know their security. They now. You all na small small na you na small to the ocean couple you know they all those kind of stuff. So if you come this Europe, first you try to learn their language. That is the most important because if you go to that man country, you don't sabi communicate. You know,
Now wahala don't start
already.
already.
So work, no, the people many people say work, no they work, no they will not work, no they. Who they sleep for bed, they pray for work. How work won't take me now?
It's not possible. You must work out.
You must work out because many of us there for Italy say they want to collect free money, free money they sleep so free money they sleep. But bro, try me work for yourself because family has to feed. People there as well, you say yes, they count on you, say yes, that you don't go Europe. Yeah, this one now, yeah, it did. And two, don't try me to tell them say you know why for come, you know as I take the, you know, no.
Try to the raise all the shoulder part level.
Because you don't know what help you. On the raise shoulder for them, mostly the white ones for inside, and the black. I say the blacks, many of them, might say 60% of them, they're red. Now, only 40% of them with the inside, and the coffee, not the cover the 60% with them because we don't know. As I tell you before, mostly the boys, they don't like to hear all those kind of stuff. So if you come Europe, make sure say you follow their procedure, you do everything. You see many opportunities there.
Okay, sir. Lastly, now, one question I want to ask, not past this. You don't experience like how many countries you don't visit so far?
As when I reach Italy, I not become over Italy. I heard the Roma.
You're there.
I heard the Roma.
You hold Roma strong.
Yeah, I be Roma. I be Roma.
Just imagine, oh. Imagine.
Roma.
All right. So, okay, like now, as you did now, you don't experience life. You don't see everything by yourself. Now, you don't visit Nigeria. You say you come.
No.
Never visit.
No.
You not get time for mind to visit.
Not yet, but I dey work towards some things.
Okay, by your experience here so far and all the things will be say you don't see fair gather for Nigeria and what you see the here now. If you get money and say you get chunk of money like maybe say 50 or 100,000 euro, where would you like to do your investment?
To me, if I get all that money, I just go on real estate.
In where? In here or in Africa?
In Africa, now we come here to make money. We want to make our house better. We want to make our country better.
Okay, so your whole focus not be here.
My focus, nobody wants here forever.
I bet you say does they sweet you.
It is not say not they sweet. Here we have to make money. Not be saying that no, not to make money. If you make your money, you as in an investment, you invest. If you say that investment, not see the work where you like that, you see investment for here because why here? The more, for example, you get that guy might say 100,000 or those 100,000, 200,000 for account now. You buy houses, you turn out to real estate, you put down for rent. The more you buy, the rent money, the more you buy another house. Before you know, before you close eye, open wide, you don't turn to big man for you. You don't make huge money, all those kind of stuff. Because that money, many people they will say they will get that money, they will lavish them. I don't know many people that say government help them when they play lotto, they win big money.
Mm.
But today now they dey outside because
Mm.
they're not using to invest that money. The money big, many temptation will fall, but
Na fast. Use
I
brain.
can't change. Now they use. As I tell you that if that kind of money they make, I go go. I know say I go as I see this, they make the money. But I make sure say yes, I go into farming or I build houses for school. When I feel they put down for them, like say how they see they get back my income.
Yeah.
That's what they be. Because if you don't invest for this life, bro, they
Na
say if you
fast.
don't use your head, people go use them for you.
Na fast. Okay, what will be your last message now to the people when they say they out there, they see the year to come this Europe, when we see don't this, whether by some get better business for Nigeria, some people they go school, but they won't just live at by all means based on say they see you now see you fresh off like this.
No, if not live on the if not they go well, say the business they go well. I don't go advise you say na sell na business they come this side. Pada na come come do visit.
Okay.
Then I come first come do it because nowhere they easy. Nowhere they easy. Everywhere everybody they hustle. Because as I talk about Europe na business for the hustle can they make money. But now come stay forever.